Namaste. Welcome to Namaste Hindi. In our last video, we learned the differences between do does kya and what kya. We also made some question sentences with what. And today we are gonna learn about question sentences with where, when and why. Where, kahan, or you can also say kidhar. When, kab, why, kyun. You don't need to say N at the end of the word. It's just a nasalization sound. Let's review where question with structure. Structure in English, WH word plus do or does plus subject plus verb plus object. Sentence in English, where do you live? There is no object in this sentence. Structure in Hindi, subject plus object plus K word or question word plus verb. There is no object in this sentence, so we will skip the object step. Sentence in Hindi. You is aap, where is kahan, and the verb is रहते हैं, which combines the verb root रहे and the verb ending te. So the complete sentence would be आप कहाँ रहते हैं? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where question with response. Where do you live? In Hindi it would be आप कहाँ रहते हैं? A female would respond, I live in India. मैं भारत में रहती हूँ. मैं भारत में रहती हूँ.
Response by a male. I live in India. मैं भारत में रहता हूँ.
The preposition in Hindi is May. It sounds like the month of May. We'll learn all the preposition in our upcoming videos. Using in, which is May, is optional in this sentence. Where does he go? वो कहाँ जाते हैं? He goes to the market. वो बाजार जाते हैं. Question sentences with when. Structure in English, WH word plus do or does plus subject plus verb plus object. Sentence in English, when do you go to the office? In Hindi, we don't say to with inanimate things and there are no articles either. Structure in Hindi, subject plus object plus keyword or question word plus verb. Sentence in Hindi, आप ऑफिस कब जाते हैं? आप ऑफिस कब जाते हैं? When do you go to the office? आप ऑफिस कब जाते हैं? A female would respond, I go to the office on Wednesday. मैं बुधवार को ऑफिस जाती हूँ. On Wednesday in Hindi is बुधवार को.
Response by a male. I go to the office on Wednesday. मैं बुधवार को ऑफिस जाता हूँ.
When does she come home? वो घर कब आती है? She comes home by 7 p.m. वो घर 7 बजे तक आती हैं. Check out my playlist telling the time to learn more about the time in detail. Why question sentences. Why in Hindi is क्यों. Why does he watch TV? वो टीवी क्यों देखते हैं? Why do they bring chocolates? वे चॉकलेट्स क्यों लाते हैं? और you can also say वो चॉकलेट्स क्यों लाते हैं?
Question and answer.
सवाल और जवाब.
Try to fill in the question marks on screen to see how much you've learned.
Where does she live? वो कहाँ रहती हैं? Where do you work? आप काम कहाँ करते हैं? When do you eat dinner? आप डिनर कब खाते हैं? When does he make cake? वो केक कब बनाते हैं? Why do we celebrate Christmas? हम क्रिसमस क्यों मनाते हैं? Why do you deny it? आप मना क्यों करते हैं? In the next lesson, we are going to learn whom questions in Hindi.
And that's all the practice for today. Great job!
Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Namaste.